BluntCut MetalWorks, December 15, 2021. This is CPM S60V at 66.5 Rockwell. Now it's sharpened using Edge Pro at 13 degrees precise. Finished at 600 grit diamond plate. And edge is sharp. Looking right there. Wood. The main test is pretty much the Antler tips, but anyway, this is 15 amp 110 volt. Oh, I twisted too many times. Hopefully it didn't so bad. And let's do a quick test. Smooth, no hanging, no whatsoever. Now this is Antler tips, and this is the money. It would pass. I won't have to take a close picture. Other way, I will take a close look. Oop, look out. Okay. Try it again. Sometimes I get a little finicky. It's passing the test fine. I'm sure there's some dulling, but anyway, thanks for watching.